we're smoking right now. I got the Char-Griller Kettle. It's going. So what I got today is I got a Boston pork butt boneless. That's gonna be plenty enough for me. It's 2 pounds, so plenty to eat for today, and then leftovers. So that's gonna be awesome. And I seasoned it with Hardcore Carnivore Red. It's a delicious rub right there, delicious rub. But I'm excited because I'm going to be using again the Char-Griller Kettle. I really love this kettle. I'm happy that I bought it. It's been awesome. So I'm going to be using the Only Fire charcoal basket. It fits in there, but the cooking grates have to sit on top of it, which I'm fine though, because obviously this side right here is where I'm going to be cooking at. This side right here is where the heat's going to be at, but hey, it still works. Lid's still able to go on top, so we're going to roll with it like that. There's clips that would go on the hinges right here on the inside where the cooking grate sits on, but they're made only for Weber kettles, so it doesn't fit the Char-Griller Kettle. But it's alright. Like I said, cooking grate's going to sit right on top, and we're going to roll, so that's what we're going to do. So let's get started. Alright, it's at around 250, so I'm going to go for that temp right there, and then I'll probably eventually raise it up probably to 275 later on during the cook. I mean, it's only 2 pounds, so we'll see how long this cook's going to go. But hey, I got all day. It's Saturday. I'm relaxing. Alright, so there it is. Got some small pieces of chunks. Alright. There it is, 2 pounds right there. Well, alright, so just gonna let it ride and sit back, relax. I'll probably be chilling outside, inside. Man, this is barbecue. Just take it easy and cook how you cook, right? That's how I look at it. But so let's close it up and let's continue. Yeah, look at her smoke. Oh, I'll tell you, I love this Char-Griller Kettle. I really do. Close to 300. Just a while ago, I adjusted the top vent and the bottom vent, so we'll see if it goes down. But this is the first time I believe I believe, maybe wrong, but I believe the first time that I'm using this the charcoal basket in this Char-Griller. So see how that goes. But yeah, we'll see how well that goes with keeping temps up or down. And right now it's sitting close to 300, so we'll see. And I'm using the Kingsford Miller Lite. So yeah. Alright, let's see what we can tell. Just above 250. Let it focus. There you go. Just above 250. So 4 hours, let's check it. Yeah. Looking good, eh? And there's the Kingsford. Man, that's pretty good right now. Just by looking at it. Let me zoom out a little bit. Actually, let me set this down and get some more light in there. But as you can tell, this spot right here is lit up. It's getting underneath there. But this side looks like it's still not lit up, so that's good. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Pretty good, right? So I'm gonna let it keep riding. We're at 177 for eternal temp. So when we get around 200, I'll check it. But yeah, it's looking good. So let's continue on. Alright, we're 6 hours in. Where is it at? Just above 250. So it's been sitting around the same number of 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just wrap it. Yeah, that's a nice mahogany color to it. Take a closer look. And then look. That's the charcoal right there. So now this side's starting to get lit up now. I can hear it. You can see the smoke coming out from this side. And look at that. Man, I'm telling you, this charcoal basket and this Kingsford Miller Lights, the beard coat, doing pretty well right now. Pretty well. And this is 6 hours in. So this is what we got left over, 6 hours. It's pretty good, huh? But yeah, I'm going to take it off and wrap it in foil. That's what I have. Put some liquid in there and let it ride to around 200, and then I'll check it. Alright, well, the meat probe I have in the park butt, it's reading at 202. And then the temp right there is just above 250, around what, 275, I would say. So yeah, and I didn't mention that I wanted to get the temp up little, and I did that while I was wrapping. So yeah, so let's get it like that, and then let's take a look. Look at that charcoal, man. Look at that. After 7 hours, 7 hours of a cook, still going. We could keep going. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe 10 hours? I think 10, but that's pretty good. So, just wanna see. Oh yeah, that felt pretty good. Oh yeah, that felt nice. And then look at the tip here, 201. Oh yeah, 201. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off and just let it rest and shut down this kettle and save that for next cook. So all right, let's let it rest. I'm gonna let it rest for an hour, maybe 2, depending on, we'll see, but we'll see. This smells delicious and it looks delicious. I gotta say, that Char-Griller Kettle, it did fantastic. That Only Fire charcoal basket did fantastic. And the Bear Coals Kingsford, they did fantastic. So all in all, a winning combination right there, a winning combination. And it produced what you just saw. So yeah, it's pretty good. Kept the temps around 250 until whenever I wrapped it in foil, then it went up around 275, which I did mention in the beginning of the video that I would do that. So I went ahead and did that. It didn't take too long after that. It took about an hour to get to around 200, 202, and then probed it. When I probed it, it went in like butter, like nothing. So yeah. And then just let it rest for an hour. But you saw, juicy. Oh man, I love doing these videos to where I just want to taste the meat itself before I actually, apply anything to it now, because I just so good. I just want to taste the flavor. I just want to see how well whatever pit I'm using cooks, you know. So right now, you know, I'm gonna have plenty for today, plenty for tomorrow. I'm probably actually gonna mix it up with some eggs tomorrow. Get some tacos, man. It's gonna be delicious. I can't wait for that. But yeah, man, that was good. So all in all, 2-pounder, 7 hours. So 6 hours cooked and then 1 hour wrapped. But hey, another day, another cook. Well, as always, thanks for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. This is the best part of the cooking, is right here. Getting to taste. Oh yeah, so delicious. I'll see you till next time.